If you want a flash card, this ain't really a flash card, because on the back of these, what are you going to learn? I have no idea. But you get some nice graphics with these. This is the absolute function. This is the absolute phantom stabilizer. It returns the absolute value of a number. That's how you're going to get it. This, if you're playing the game, this is a gamified version of a flash card. It comes with gaming instructions. 4-player game, 2-player game, or you could do the solo route, which is what I would do, solo learning mode. So for solo learning mode, you're going to draw 10 cards, cover everything except for the illustration, and use the illustration to recall the function. So you're going to take these two. Let's say you cover this up. That little ghost, I have no idea what the ghost has to do with Python, but if you can remember what that has to do with the phantom stabilizer, you might remember that that is the absolute function, and there is a little piece of code right there that you could use to see what the absolute function does. Now, if you're looking at these cards, they are humongous. I don't know if you're going to want to carry around a card like this. Actually, they're 4 times the size of these. You could put 4 cards of these on one of these, right? So they're 4 times the size of these. What kind of information do they have? Let's do a comparison. This is a list card, and this is a list card. So for this, remember, whatever that is, if you can remember that it has something to do with a list, more power to you. That's the data assembler, constructs a list from an iterable. They give you a little blurb about a list, and they give you some code there, list, and that. I have no idea what the output would be. If you know Python, you should know what the output is, but if you don't and you're supposed to learn from this card, good luck. Here, what is a list? How do you define a list? How do you add items to a list is on one side of the card. On the other side of this humongous card, they'll give you the answers. A list is a collection of items. They'll give you some code. They'll give you some output. They'll show you how to use the index functions of this list. Lists are 0 index, so they start with 0. So 0, 1, 2. There are 0, 1, 2. There are 3 elements in this list. The first one is 0, and it would be E. So if you want the 0 element of that list, it would be E. If you want the -1 of that list, it would be O. And they show you how to run the append, the insert, and pretty much standard flashcard format versus every card in here would be the same. So that's summon the JSON versus no starch press Python card.